It's your boy Swagnificent. Yo. It's your boy Swagnificent coming live, and you already know, nigga, how I ride. I ride low, I ride high, and you already know my swag be bright. It's Swagnificent killing these hoes. This is just life, and this is how it goes. It's my boy Big Easy. We doing this shit. And you already know, yo, bitch can suck my dick.
Oh, yeah, bandana on that ski. You 24 on inches, bitch, yeah, you know me. Yeah, singing 2011, I rap that. And bitch, real line, she gotta step back. That's what I said, your haters can't hate. We're laughing at y'all while we making this cake. We say the paper roll, no doubt about it, ho. Hey, yo, Swag, man, tell them what's for show.
I got 99 problems with my swag at one. Go ahead and hate, that's why your son want it. Best believe, I get what I get. And you already know, I'm the realest in this bitch. Your bitch looking at me, but I don't even want her. I don't even talk to her, I'm on that marijuana. Best believe it, I'm blowing, I'm smoking, I'm choking. And you already know, nigga, I'm straight blowing. Look, little paper, straight with it please. And you already know I have your bitch on her knees. Look, this is just real with it. And you already know Swagnificent is in it.
Yeah, verse 2, bitch. Yeah, you know I'm back with a brand new swag. Nobody match that. My name is Easy Y. You got it, don't know lie. Man, I fucked your bitch. That's no lie. Know why about that? You wanna get it back? You call me restricted. Punk ass, get back. Yeah, you know how I do. Hey, T-Nasty, who the fuck is you?
That nigga ain't on my level, you already. Best believe it, nigga, I was born ready. I'm born heavy, I got the heavy hitter. The fresh snap back on it, I'll cap pillar. I'm a pill, your motherfucking head. You run up on my crew, nigga, I'll leave your ass for dead. I'm killing shit, it's Swagnificent. Haters welcome, nigga, make sure y'all get it.
Haha.